welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're all going to go for a ride in our 1969 Chevy Chevelle. One of America's most popular classic cars. Ours comes with a blue with a black vinyl top, US mag wheels, and more importantly the SS 396 big block motor we got. MSD, 6-speed manual. Freaking mean car we got here at Skyway Classics. A few minor modifications we have added or have been added to the vehicle are these gauges on the post, Kenwood audio sound system with a subwoofer in the back. We have our tack right here, added AC, and yeah, she's really mean. She's got a really mean sound coming out the back. Got the nice SS wheel, buckets, and all the nice features that came with the SS when you got it off the package, plus a little minor upgrades. And yeah, she's a pretty mean ride. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you take a look at the underneath. We hope to see you there.